Hello everyone and welcome back to the 9th grade math course. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to write and interpret equations. If you haven't already, make sure to watch all the other 6 parts before continuing with this one. You have probably seen both expressions and equations before, but what's the difference? Let's start with a must-know fact. Equations have an equal sign in them, expressions do not. Let's see how expressions and equations are written. An expression looks like this, 9x plus 12, but an equation looks like this, 4 equals 9x plus 12. Before we start writing equations, here are some words you should always watch out for. These clue you into what operation or symbol you'll need. First up, we have is and equals. They represent the equal sign. Second, we have sum and added to. That is the addition sign. Difference is the subtraction sign. Product or times is the multiplication sign. Quotient or divided is the division sign. And squared and cubed is the exponent sign. Pro tip, if you see is equal to or is the same as, you're working with an equation. Now we're going to practice turning written statements into algebraic equations. I'll walk you through some examples, and after that, I'm going to give you practice problems. Alright guys, here is example number 1. 1/2 of g plus 32 is as much as the sum of 15 and 6 times g. So let's break it down. 1/2 of g, so that's the first part, plus 32 is as much as the sum of 15 and 6 times g. So 1/2 of g is going to be 1 divided by 2 times g, plus, meaning addition, 32 is as much as, meaning equal, the sum of 15 and 6 times g. So 15 plus 6 times g. And that's example number 1. Let's move on to example number 2. A number m to the third power is the same as the product of 24 and m plus 4. So let's break it down here. A number m, meaning m as the variable, to the third power. So m to the third power is the same as, meaning equal to, the product of 24, meaning 24 and m, so 24 times m, plus 4. And there you have it. That is example number 2. And last but not least, example number 3. The square root of h is equal to 2 times the difference of h and 10. So it says the square root of h, so it's going to be square root of h is equal to, so equal to 2 times the difference, meaning subtraction, so 2 times h minus 10. And there you have it, all 3 examples completed. Alright guys, here is your first practice problem. Pause the video, and once you're finished, unpause. So it says 7 times a number b is the same as the difference between 40 and b. So it says 7 times a number b, meaning 7 times b is the same as, meaning equal to, the difference, meaning so we're going to be subtracting between 40 and b. So 40 minus b. Now let's go to the next one. So the next practice problem is the sum of r and 5 is equal to twice the value of s. So it says the sum of r and 5, meaning r plus 5, so r plus 5 is equal to, so equal sign, to twice the value of s, meaning 2 times s. So 2 times s. And that was the answer to this written equation. And we have the final practice problem for you guys to try. The cube of k is the same as 10 times k minus 8. So the cube of k means k to the power of 3. So k to the power of 3 is the same as, so equal to, 10 times k minus 8. 10 times k minus 8. And if you got that, all of those three right, drop a comment below. That was it for this video, guys. Keep practicing, and I'll catch you in the next one.